Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable the filter keys pop-up on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your computer is fully powered on and wait for Windows 11 to completely load up. It's important to let everything finish loading before making any system changes, so give it a moment if you've just started your PC. Once your system is ready and you can see your desktop, direct your attention to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Here you'll find the Windows Start menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. This is your gateway to accessing all the system settings and applications you'll need for this tutorial. With the Start menu now open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in Control Panel and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Windows Control Panel, which is where you can adjust various system settings and preferences. The Control Panel is essential for making deeper changes to how Windows operates, and it's where we'll find the options to disable the filter keys pop-up. Once the Control Panel window appears, look through the available options and locate Ease of Access Center. This section contains all the accessibility features that Windows offers to make your computer easier to use for different needs. Click on Ease of Access Center to open it. Now within the Ease of Access Center, scroll down towards the bottom of the window. You're looking for an option that says Make the keyboard easier to use. This is where Windows keeps all the keyboard-related accessibility settings, including the filter keys feature that's been causing the pop-up. Click on this option to proceed. After clicking, you'll be taken to a new screen with various keyboard settings. Here, look for a section labeled Make it easier to type. Within this section, you'll see a checkbox next to the line that reads Turn on filter keys. This is the setting that controls whether the filter keys feature is active on your system. If this box is checked, it means the feature is turned on, which is why you've been seeing those pop-ups. Simply uncheck this checkbox by clicking on it. By doing this, you're completely disabling the filter keys function, which will stop the pop-up from appearing whenever you accidentally hold down a key for too long. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the filter keys pop-up on Windows 11, and you won't be interrupted by that notification anymore. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.